Invest in Ethiopia 2025, a gateway to untapped potential. Are you ready to unlock unparalleled investment opportunities in one of Africa's most dynamic economies? Join us at Invest Ethiopia 2025 and be part of Ethiopia's transformative journey towards economic prosperity. The Ethiopian Investment Commission, EIC, in collaboration with the Ministry of Finance and esteemed development partners, proudly announces the Invest Ethiopia 2025 high-level business forum scheduled for May 12 to 13 at the prestigious Skylight Hotel in Addis Ababa. This landmark event, themed Ethiopia, the Next Frontier for Investment, Unlocking Untapped Potential, aims to catalyze over $3 billion in strategic investments. Discover why Ethiopia is poised to become a leading investment destination and how you can capitalize on its vast potential. Invest Ethiopia 2025 is a meticulously designed two-day event that showcases Ethiopia's diverse investment landscape. Hosted by the EIC with the support of Commissioner Dr. Zeleka Temasgen Boru, State Minister of Finance Semereta Sewaso, and key partners such as the African Development Bank, AFDB, and Canada, the forum anticipates over 700 attendees. These include global investors, prominent business leaders, influential policymakers, and innovative entrepreneurs. Engage in sector-specific discussions, policy dialogues, success story presentations, and strategic deal-making sessions across 7 high-priority sectors: manufacturing, agriculture, energy, ICT, healthcare, logistics, and tourism. Ethiopia offers a compelling value proposition: a youthful and vibrant population exceeding 126 million, a strategic geographic location along major trade routes, and transformative reforms such as the launch of the Ethiopian Securities Exchange, ESX, in late 2024 and the progressive liberalization of the banking sector in April 2025. This forum is more than just a presentation. It's an invitation to transform potential into tangible profit and contribute to Ethiopia's sustainable economic growth. The timing for Invest Ethiopia 2025 is impeccable, as Ethiopia's economic environment is increasingly favorable. Momentum of reform. The ESX is experiencing robust activity, with 500 billion ETB in interbank trades recorded by April 2025. The successful $8.4 billion debt restructuring in March 2025 has alleviated repayment pressures, and the banking sector reforms are now open to foreign investment. This forum leverages this positive momentum to attract further investment. Global investment interest. Emerging markets are gaining traction, and Ethiopia's impressive 7.2% GDP growth in FY 2022-23, as reported by the World Bank, positions it as a standout performer. The implementation of the African Continental Free Trade Area, AFCFTA, enhances Ethiopia's strategic importance and market access. National Development Goals. Ethiopia's ambitious 10-year prosperity plan, 2021-2030, aims to elevate the nation to lower middle-income status by 2025, with WTO accession targeted for 2026. This forum is crucial for securing the foreign direct investment, FDI, necessary to achieve these ambitious goals. Post-crisis economic recovery. Following significant challenges, including the COVID-19 pandemic, regional conflicts, and drought, Ethiopia is demonstrating resilience and stability. The forum signals a clear commitment to economic recovery and sustainable growth. The strategic timing of the announcement in April allows organizers to effectively engage global investors and align with their corporate planning cycles, ensuring maximum participation and impact at the May event. Ethiopia's objectives for hosting this forum are clear and strategic. Economic transformation, transition from a state-driven economy to one led by the private sector, The forum aims to connect global capital with local opportunities, reducing reliance on public spending and fostering sustainable economic growth. Resource mobilization. Leverage Ethiopia's abundant resources, including vast arable land, significant hydropower potential, such as the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam's 6,450 Mendidabar capacity, and a large labor force of 56 million. Sectors like agriculture and manufacturing require significant investment, and foreign expertise can drive substantial growth. Foreign exchange enhancement. Address chronic foreign exchange shortages by attracting $3 billion in FDI, which will boost exports, increase reserves, and stabilize the economy. Investor confidence building. Overcome past challenges by showcasing ongoing reforms, attractive incentives, such as 10-year tax holidays in industrial parks, and improved governance to enhance investor confidence and attract long-term investment. The primary goal is to unlock over $3 billion in investments, positioning Ethiopia as East Africa's premier investment hub, rivaling established destinations like Kenya and Rwanda. The forum aims to forge strategic partnerships between global firms and local businesses, fostering joint ventures and technology transfers. By channeling funds into job-intensive sectors like manufacturing and agriculture, Ethiopia aims to create significant employment opportunities and reduce poverty. The forum also serves to validate Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed's homegrown economic reform agenda, supported by a $3 billion IMF deal in 2019, by demonstrating tangible economic progress. Invest Ethiopia 2025 offers mutual benefits for various stakeholders. Government. Increased FDI, job creation, and tax revenue will strengthen the government's reform agenda and enhance its global standing. Local businesses. Access to partnerships, capital, and expanded market opportunities will enable local businesses to grow and compete globally. Global investors. High growth prospects in a frontier market, particularly in sectors like renewable energy and ICT, offer significant returns. The AFCFTA provides access to a vast market of 1.3 billion people. Development partners. Advancement of sustainable development goals, such as poverty reduction and regional influence, will be facilitated through strategic investments and partnerships. Citizens. Improved living standards through job creation, infrastructure development, and a stronger economy will benefit the entire population. Key sectors for investment include manufacturing, leveraging low-cost labor and industrial parks, agriculture, coffee pulses and other export crops, and energy, hydropower and renewables. The ICT sector, driven by the rapid adoption of digital technologies, and tourism, with its rich cultural heritage, also offers significant potential. While the $3 billion target is ambitious, it is achievable with improved logistics, streamlined forex processes, and continued political stability. Addressing forex gaps, ensuring profit repatriation, and promoting transparency in deal-making are crucial for mitigating risks and fostering investor confidence. For investors, Invest Ethiopia 2025 represents a unique opportunity to enter a high-potential frontier market with the prospect of substantial returns. Business professionals can forge valuable partnerships in a region poised for rapid growth. By participating, you contribute to Ethiopia's economic transformation and sustainable development. Invest Ethiopia 2025 is more than just a forum. It is a testament to Ethiopia's resilience and commitment to economic reform. With significant investment opportunities, a dynamic workforce, and a supportive government, May 12-13 could mark a pivotal moment for Ethiopia's economic future. We invite you to mark your calendars, visit the EIC's website, https://investethiopia.gov.et, and join us in shaping Ethiopia's prosperous future.